you have the interactive displays, which is for ordering. If you have been to McDonald's, in some of the places where they give you a large screen where you can directly place your order, that's similar to this, except that you can only place an order and pay it at the billing counter in the end. And still, it's easier and better rather than having a human contact or directly talking to a person for the same ordering. You can actually enter whatever you want here and select that, add to the cart, and go pay and get your products. And there's also this OnePlus River, or what they call as the large interactive screen. Right now you don't see those photos of the ones captured by the OnePlus users, but later on OnePlus says that they would be adding all the shot by OnePlus captures on this OnePlus River. What they call it is River for that continuous scrolling screen. Now moving on to the first floor, this was one of my favorite places of the 3 floors here, obviously because of that chilling zone. This is a very chill zone with large sofas and seating areas where a particular OnePlus smartphone buyer can come sit here and get their phone unboxed, get their phone set up. For many users who don't have a very good knowledge of how to transfer their content from their older phone to a newer OnePlus phone, the OnePlus team can help do that in this particular area. And most of the TV models from OnePlus are put up on the display here, so that you can get an experience of every TV model in case you're planning to buy a TV as well. And if you had bought a smartphone, you can actually choose the accessories directly from here. So this entire area is not just about chilling but also about the TV and accessories, and this is the area where the Red Cable Club members would be in future able to come and join the community meetups that would happen in the OnePlus store. So this is that particular floor where you would be able to join those community meetups if you are those Red Cable Club members. Next is the service section, the important one for majority of the users. So this also is spread across the same amount of area that the bottom store and then the chilling zone are. So it's a large area where you have a complete process of getting a token to going to the end part of it, that is paying for that repair. So it's quite a transparent zone where every cubicle has a glass panel so that you can from outside see what is happening. And now OnePlus is also giving you an option to sit right across the table and see what the person is doing. In case your phone is getting repaired, you don't have to really worry about what is happening in the background. You can actually sit there, watch stuff happening. And as far as what I have learned here, I have asked the person directly who was repairing the phone about the availability of the spare parts. I was told that most of the spare parts would be almost always available, so there's no need to give a turnaround time to the user. The user who comes here can directly get the phone repaired real time and then go back with the repaired phone. So it's a limited number of models, so that would be a lesser hassle for the company, and that's a good thing. You get your repairs done real time without any issue. So these are the 3 stores or the 3 floors here. First one is the ground floor, then the first one having the Red Cable Club membership community area and also the TV and accessories display there, and the second one being the service section. Above that is the OnePlus own office, so it's across 4 floors in the end, but for the customers and users it's going to be a total of 3 floors across which you see everything that a smartphone buyer or an accessory buyer or a TV buyer would be able to get an experience of. So that's it guys, this was a quick tour of the OnePlus Nizam Palace, the world's largest OnePlus store right now, and it actually is a very cool place to visit. If you are someone who's a tech fan, you can actually visit this place to see how cool the stuff here is, and you can see how well displayed the smartphones are, how well the TV section is displayed, and everything actually is worth the experience here. So that's it guys, I hope you like this video. If you do, share and subscribe to Gizmo for more. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.